just moved into a new neighborhood and we're going on the nature trail. And this is my dog Roxy. What is that? Look over there, it's like a mushroom tree.
Ooh, a mushroom tree.
What's that pink thing? This is little pink things. Wait, I think that's trash.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully not trash.
People are rude.
Yeah. If you guys heard that you're not rude. Only if you throw
Unless
trash.
you leave trash in the woods.
Look at this, guys. Look at this.
Wow, look how big that tree trunk is, Aiden.
Whoa. Look at all those. Lenora, look. Look down.
You see all the water, Lenora?
Ooh, we can't go swimming in that.
No.
There's something that'll bite us. But it would be a nice place to go fishing for piranhas.
Fishing for piranhas? You think so?
Yeah. Where does it lead to? Guys, comment down below where you think it leads to. Mom. Right now we're just on a break. Yeah, we went on half the nature trail without y'all. But
Yeah.
yeah, we're sorry.
What?
Fairy
Oh, look.
museum. That's like a fairy coliseum.
A fairy coliseum, Lenora.
Careful, don't drop your phone.
No, I know. I'm not holding it too far up.
Like, look at how smooth those. Look at all of these trees. Guys how many fairies could be in those trees? Probably like
I just saw something move down there, Aiden. Yeah, you see the ripples on the water? I didn't see what it was, but it might have been a turtle or something.
Ooh, we should have caught it. We might have
No, you don't need to catch it.
I think that it's a duck.
Could-
Did you hear that sound?
There could be alligators too.
Ooh, that's really bad. Roxy, look.
I think that's just some big leaves.
Oh. Rocks? Good. Oh, wow. Watch out. There's a tree above you guys. There's trees everywhere. How are they growing in this muddy water? Wow, look at that. Look at all those sticks. Lenora, come. Hey, look. It's a looking place. This was a nice day to come. Nobody's out. Look at the fairy door.
Another fairy door? Oh, look at that, Lenora. I bet there's lots of fairies that live there.
Yeah, Lenora, stop walking, okay? Oh, but we found the end.
She's okay. She's at the end.
But look. Let's look around.
You know, it's good we came after the... Wow, Aiden. Look how big that tree is.
What tree?
That one. It's got a fat trunk.
Wow.
You see it?
Look, yeah. Let's look over it. See, look, you hear that?
I'm pretty sure those are all cypress trees, buddy.
Yeah, do you hear all those, little sounds?
Yeah, there's animals down there.
Comment down below if you can hear the sounds. Look.
Oh, wow.
What's it saying? Oh, what does it say?
Oh, I don't know. Let's see if we can zoom in.
Let's see what it is. What does it say?
Let's see. Louisiana purchased Cypress Legacy. Oh, sorry, Maisie's kicking.
Whoa, that's a big tree.
Alive is best.
That's a big tree.
I thought they were cypress. Look how fat that is. My goodness.
Look at all those fairy trees. Look at all
That
those
is a
fairy
fat
homes.
tree. That tree must be very old, Aiden.
Yeah. Trees live forever.
Hey.
Okay. Bye, guys. See you when we do our next video. Peace. And subscribe. And